Hey, Coach Greg here, it's about training, and today I have a best arm workout to tone your triceps. That's right, we're gonna get rid of our bat wings, we're gonna tighten and tone our arms, make them look nice, slim, and sexy. So if that strikes your fancy, let's get started. So let's get started with our first arm slimming, bat wing be gone exercise of arm scissors. We are just gonna stand up nice and tall. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna extend our fingertips right in front of us, and we're gonna focus on, boom, just doing this motion right here. 30 seconds, here we go, and begin. The main goal of this, you really just wanna make sure we are extending, really reach with your fingertips, be up nice and tall, flex your core, brace with your feet, just extend and reach through it. You're gonna feel it all up in your arms. You're gonna activate and also use some of your shoulders as well there. You can do this right here. You can go lower right here. This also works. Or you can also go from behind, straight arms, and try to do this as well. All three will work out and activate your triceps. So go whichever varying difficulty you feel comfortable with. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. But we're not done yet. We have prayer hand push-outs. You're just gonna focus on putting your hands together as if you're praying, really press. This is gonna be more of an isometric squeeze. So you really wanna make sure you are pushing and having resistance. I like to have a firm base as well. Bend your knees slightly, really screw your feet into the ground and just like press. You should feel it in your core as well. And as we go, we're pressing through, and boom, we're rotating out, just like this, while you're maintaining pressure the whole time. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So we're here, boom, squeezing. As you can see, your triceps are gonna be activated. Come back through, boom, right on out. Now the goal of this isn't just pushing your arms out. That does nothing for you. We want that isometric squeeze on our side. Really press as hard as you can, boom. Just turn it right out. See, I'm even trembling a little bit because it's how much force I'm using. Boom, just like this, nice and slow. Your arm's gonna be fatigued by the third set, I guarantee it. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Oh, I'm already tired. We have IYTs next, or TYIs, whichever you prefer. We are going to bend over slightly, back flat, core tight, arms directly in front. Again, the name of the game is really reach forward with your fingertips. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna go. So we're gonna go I, right overhead. We're gonna go Y, and then T. Bam, just like that. So really reach, keep those arms straight, Y, and then T. This also is a shoulder workout as well, but by working on our shoulder, our triceps, it's gonna make your whole arm look very nice. So just like this. T, boom, I, Y, T, and again, make sure you're bracing with your core. You should feel this in your whole body. One more, I, Y, and T. Great job. Last, we have chest flies. Stand up nice and tall, shake out your arms, 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Arms right in front of us, and boom, we are trying to squeeze with our back. You should almost feel like there's a pencil behind you, boom. Really bring it forward again. Reach forward, almost have like an isometric squeeze as well. Boom, just like this. So open up, give the roll the hug, and boom, just like this. You're gonna feel it in your arms. Right now, gravity is taking effect. You wanna drop your arms, but you can't. Not done yet. Couple more seconds, you got this. Keep going, bam. Really squeeze, 3, 2, let's do one more, and 1. Great job, shake it off. Let's grab some water, and then we're gonna get started with set number 2. Alrighty, you now know the 4 exercises for this best arm workout. So I'm gonna stop talking, we're gonna turn the music up, and we're gonna get started, baby. Here we go. Arm scissors in 3, 2, 1, go. Prayer hand push out, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. You know the deal, grab some water, and we'll finish strong. All right, set number 3 starts now. Arm scissors in 3, 2, 1, go. Prayer hand, push out, 3, 2, 1, go. IYTs, 3, 2, 1, go. Chest flies, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your best arm workout for toning your triceps. My arms are fatigued and hopefully yours are too. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg, that is me. Hope you have an amazing day. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.